Hello students, in this video we are going to do the book back exercise about the phrases, okay, finding the phrases. So let's do some recap about the phrases first, okay. So what are phrases? Very good. Phrases are the small group of words. It's a small group of words which doesn't have a subject and also a verb, okay. The phrase doesn't have a subject and also it doesn't have the verb, okay, and it is a small group of words, and if we read out the phrase separately alone means it doesn't give us any meaning, but when it comes with the sentence or with the subject or verb it gives the meaning, okay. And also where can we find the phrases? The phrases can be appear before or after the main verb only, okay. Keep in your mind, where can we find the phrases? Yes, before or the after the main verb only. If you find the main verb, then after the main verb or before the main verb are the words, those words are the phrases only. And you need to keep in your mind these two things only. That is, first one, if you find a group of words which doesn't have a subject and verb means that is only the verb. You need to put this bracket, okay, this bracket only to the phrases only, okay. And if you find, where can you find? Yes, just now as I said that you can find these phrases before or after the main verb only, okay. So in this exercise there are 8 questions given below. In this video I am going to do only the 6th question. You need to try the next 2 questions by yourself only, okay. So let's find out the phrases and let me read out the Roman name. What is the Roman name, okay. So the Roman name is identify the phrases and put each phrase inside the bracket, okay, inside this brackets. You need to find out those group of words, okay. After that you need to put this bracket. If you find the group of words which represent the phrases means you need to use this bracket to mention or to show that is they are the phrases only, and they are in your book page number 115, okay. So this is your book back exercise only. For your reference I told you the page number, that is 115, okay. So let's start doing the exercise. The first question, they sat in that corner for the whole afternoon. They sat in that corner for the whole afternoon. அவங்க வந்து ஒரு கார்னர்ல whole afternoon full அந்த கார்னர்ல உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருந்தாங்க, okay. That is the translation for this sentence. Now you need to find out the main verb first. First find out the main verb. Yes, here it is. The main verb is here. Sat is the main verb here. So before the main verb or after the main verb we can find that group of words which represent the phrases. So here you can see the word they. They means our girl. So it talks about the subject only. So they sat is not the phrases. So what is the words or the phrases? Yes, in that corner. In that corner means avanga oru moolayila, okay va, that words. So in that corner will be the phrases. I need to put this bracket only, okay, this set bracket, okay. The name of this bracket is set bracket only, okay. In that corner. And for the whole afternoon. For the whole afternoon. Here I can't find any verb or subject. Can you find any subject or verb? No. So this is also the phrase only. For the whole afternoon. So how long they have been sitting in that corner? For the whole afternoon. But when I read it separately, it doesn't give me a meaning. Like for the whole afternoon, it doesn't give me any meaning, right? So in this first sentence, first question I can find in that corner is a phrase, and for the whole afternoon it's also a phrase only, okay. So let's go for the second sentence. That is, they planned their tour over the next week. They planned their tour over the next week. அவங்க வந்து அவங்களுடைய டூரை நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் வரைக்கும் பிளான் போட்டு வச்சிருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் வரைக்குமே அவங்க டூர் போற மாதிரி பிளான் போட்டிருக்காங்க. That is the meaning, okay. Here first, what is the first thing you need to find out? Very good, that is the main verb. Can you find the main verb here? Yes, that is plan. P-L-A-N-N-E-D. Plan is the main verb. So before the plan I can see the subject, that is the they. So they is not, it doesn't comes with as a phrase, okay. So we need to leave these words words, we need to find the phrase. Now, their tour, their tour. Their tour means what? It doesn't give me a meaning, and here there is no subject and no verb. So this set of words, this group of words, the small group of words also a phrase only. And over the next week means next week where you go apdina, when I read this alone, it doesn't give me a meaning. You need to check whether it has a subject or verb. There is no subject and verb, so I need to put the set bracket to show that this is also a phrase only. So here also we have found the two phrases. One is there to, and second is over the next week. Clear, children? Okay, let's go for the third question. The plan contained all the details for each day. The plan contained all the details for each day. I repeat again. First, what do you need to find? You need to find out the verb, the main verb. What is the main verb here? Very good. That is contained. Contained is the main verb. So here you need to check. You need to find out where is the phrase. Okay, whether it is after the main verb or before the main verb. We have found the main verb, that is contained. Now let me check the plan. Can you tell me whether here the plan is a subject? No, the plan means any plan. Am I right? Any talks about any plan. So here the plan also the phrase one. Here the plan. When I read the plan means it is not us. It doesn't seem like a subject. The plan again the plan or plan. We don't know. They simply give the plan only. So the plan is a phrase. And next, all the details. Ella details means here can you find any subject? No. Can you find the verb? No. So if we doesn't find in a group of words, if we doesn't find any subject or verb means that represent the phrase only. Okay, and all the details. If I read only all the details means it doesn't give me a meaning. But if it comes with a sentence means it gives us a meaning only. So all the details also the phrase, and for each day here also there is no verb and no subject. So for each day also the phrase only. So I hope you are getting the answer in your mind. So let's go for the fourth one. These people are very organized in their planning. These people are very organized in their planning. So here first what do you need to find? You need to find out the main verb. Here the main verb is R-A-R-E-R. Now we can easily find out the phrase. So first let's go for the subject. These people means can you find which type of people are they? Exactly which people they are talking? No, we don't know. So if we don't know the exact subject means that also the phrase only. So these people is the phrase, and very organized. Very organized. It is also the phrase. There is no subject and no verb. Okay. And also finally, in their planning. Who's planning? We don't know. There is no subject also, no verb also. So then it will be the phrase. Okay. So let's go for fifth one. Some of them wanted to observe a bride of lions. Some of them wanted to observe a bride of lions. Here I can find the main verb, that is wanted. So wanted is a main verb. We have found the main verb. Now we look for the subject. Some of them, if I say some of them means, does it mean any particular person? No. Some of them means anybody. Here they are not telling us the particular person. If they are not talking about the particular subject means that also the phrase only. Some of them is the phrase. And then to observe, yes, here there is no verb, no subject. To observe, if it comes alone means it doesn't give us a meaning. Then a bride of lions, it also doesn't have a subject and also the verb. So a bride of lions, to observe, and some of them are the phrases in fifth question. Let's go for last one. 20 of them went on a safari for the whole day. 20 of them went on a safari for the whole day. First, what do we need to find out, children? Yes, we need to find out the main verb, that is went. Went is the main verb here. Now 20 of them, is 20 of them a subject? No, 20 of them means any 20 of them. Here it doesn't talk about the particular person, right? It doesn't have a particular subject. So this 20 of them is a phrase only. I need to put set bracket. Okay, 20 of them is a phrase. On a safari. Here, on a safari. It is also a phrase. And finally for the whole day. This also a phrase only. So keep it in your mind. Whenever if a question asks you to find the phrases, identify the phrases from the sentence means, first you need to find the main verb. Okay, once if you guess the main verb means, you need to check the before or after the main verb there may be a group of words that only called as the phrase, and which doesn't have a subject, also the verb only. So see, for example, all the details, when I read all the details separately, it doesn't give me a meaning, and here there is no subject and no verb. The simple trick to find out the phrase is, you need to read out that group of words, and if you don't find any subject or verb with the group of words means, that is the phrase only. So children, I hope you are clear with this exercise. Try to do the last two questions by yourself. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.